REDRAGON SATURN G807 Gamepad Wired PC Game Controller Joystick Dual Vibration S. The REDRAGON SATURN G807 is a wired PC game controller that is also compatible with PS3 and Android devices. It features dual vibration motors, a 3.5mm audio jack, and a built-in microphone. The controller is made of high-quality plastic and has a comfortable grip. The buttons are responsive and the analog sticks are smooth. The G807 is a great choice for gamers of all levels. Here are some of the pros and cons of the REDRAGON SATURN G807. Pros. Comfortable grip. Responsive buttons. Smooth analog sticks. Dual vibration motors. 3.5mm audio jack. Built-in microphone. Compatible with PC, PS3, and Android devices. Cons. May be too large for some people. No wireless option. Pricey. Overall, the REDRAGON SATURN G807 is a great choice for gamers who are looking for a wired PC game controller that is also compatible with PS3 and Android devices. It is comfortable to use, has responsive buttons and smooth analog sticks, and features dual vibration motors and a built-in microphone. However, it may be too large for some people and it does not have a wireless option. Pricing. The REDRAGON SATURN G807 is currently priced at $39.99 on Amazon. Where to buy? The REDRAGON SATURN G807 is available for purchase on Amazon. Purchase link. https://www.amazon.com/dp/b077y3359x/ref equals cm_r_mt_dp_8733e8r6189q9846355q. https www.amazon.com/dp/b077y3359x/ref equals cm_sw_m_r_mt_dp_8733e8r6189q9846355q.